guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this certificate package from Ford Show Parts. This is actually for a friend of mine down in Australia, and we're going to ship it off to him since it's a little harder to get things down there in Australia, so had it shipped here first. I just wanted to open this up and show you what's inside and what the quality's like. If you've lost your original sticker and certificate, then this may be something you'd be interested in. It was about $110 with shipping, and so I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so inside the UPS box you have another UPS envelope and then another box. Okay, inside that a very nice Ford SVT Special Vehicle Team keychain. Okay, next we have a very nice receipt. So just shows the receipt of what you purchased. It's going to give you basically the letter that you would have had if you had bought the car. So I blocked out his VIN and specific information here, but the certificate is very nice. It is a different color. You can definitely tell that it's printed differently, and so it does look very nice. Which I won't zoom in on too much because it's specific to his car, but the paper is a different color. And so let you know that it is definitely, looks like it's similar to how it would have come from the factory. And then a way to decode the VIN. And then this one's going to be some production numbers. And then a manual here that's showing the car. 2003, kind of a spec sheet here. And I've seen each of these on eBay where people have tried to sell these individually. Then a really nice book here. And I must say I'm a fan already seeing the yellow. Of course this would probably be zinc yellow for an 03 manual, where mine's screaming yellow, but anyway, very beautiful book here. Just very delicately turning the pages here because I don't want to ruin anything, but yeah, what a great book. So if you're a Terminator owner, I definitely would go for this. This is pretty cool. Okay, and then inside he has another book. Okay, so inside it's going to be the SVT book, and it's plastic wrapped, so we're not going to go any farther here, but you could probably get the details of that book elsewhere. I actually do own that book already as well, and it's a good book.